Hello everybody, I am sharing one of my favorite flowers with you, the hibiscus. Starting with soft consistency icing in a tipless bag, begin icing the branch that is holding the hibiscus. Use your scribe tool as necessary to smooth out the icing and to make sure that the icing is staying within your template lines. I'm going to be introducing a new technique. Instead of dimensionally piping the icing so that we have the movement and dimension in our flower, I want you to pipe the icing on the petals and the leaves as smooth as possible. We're going to add the dimension and the movement in using our food paste and developing up hues and tones. I'm sure by now you're asking yourself, why not just use flood consistency icing if we need the flower to be as smooth as possible? Because flood consistency icing would be too flat. It would be as flat as the background of the cookie. And we want the flower and certain leaves to be raised. By using the soft consistency icing, we can achieve that. Pipe a few beads that are going to represent the anthers for the pistil. Leave some flat and we can just paint them directly on the cookie. Allow your cookie to dry overnight. Now that our icing is dry, we can go ahead and paint the cookie. We're going to start with a very light pink and paint all of the petals with this light pink color. Using a hot pink color, paint the inside of the hibiscus where the pistil intersects with the fan-shaped petal. Using that same color, paint the 5 stigmas that are on the top of the pistil. Now we need to use our hues and tones to build up the texture as well as the movement and dimension of our hibiscus. For the leaves, begin painting a yellow-greenish color on top of all of the foliage, including the ovary of the hibiscus. To create a thin vein in the center of the leaf, stay up on the toe of a small round brush you have side-loaded with a dark green color. Use a light brown color to begin painting the branch of the tree. Now paint a darker tone of brown on the left side of the branch of the tree. It appears I forgot to paint a calyx, so I'm just going to place it in right now. Using a golden yellow color and a lighter pink, paint the rest of the anthers and the filaments. My calyx is a little straight, so I'm going to add a curve on using an aubergine color and a small round brush. Finally, I'm going to check over my hibiscus and make sure the entire cookie is in tonal value. I hope you've enjoyed this cookie. I'll see you in the next tutorial.